Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 16, and its title is Self-Discipline. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 4, we will learn about dictation words and we will cover up page 125. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, already we have learned in unit number 14, a good citizen. We have learned about dictation words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's student learning outcome is copy and take dictation of words studied in class. So today we are going to cover up this SLO. So my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah An-Nahl, verse number 89, and we have sent down to you the book explaining all things. It is a guide, a mercy and glad tidings to the Muslims. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, do you know what this beautiful verse is telling us? This beautiful verse is telling us about the importance of Al-Quran. Allah Almighty is addressing that I have sent a book to you. So which is this book? Definitely this book is Al-Quran. So Allah Almighty have sent to us, and it is a source of blessings and happiness. Okay, so when we are, which three things it is giving? It is a guide for all Muslims, and it is giving us glad tidings. So do you know glad tidings? Yes, happiness, a source of happiness for all Muslims in the world. And also it is a mercy. Three things explaining in this verse, three things are being explained, that it is source of guide, mercy and glad tidings to the Muslims. So we must have to recite it on our daily basis whenever we have time. So first of all, we must get time in the morning time. If we don't have, so then we have to recite it in the day, in our day and whole day, whenever we should get time. Okay, so this is a book and it is a source of happiness for all of us. Have you got? So let's move to pre-reading questions, my dear students. How do you plan your weekly timetable? So yes, my dear students, how do you plan your weekly timetable? That what you have to do in the whole week. So how you plan? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video and get answer from your students and then come back. Welcome back and good job. That I hope you have discussed and you have informed to your teacher that how you are planning your weekly timetable. Good. So open the book, page number 125, and we are going to start its next remaining lesson text. Okay, you should organize your schoolwork. Make sure that you are keeping notes and homework in separate places. Try to check your bag every night and get a box to store pens, papers and rulers, drawing pencils and markers, so that you will have everything you need. Okay, so have you got that? How you have to plan your bag, my dear students? It's all about you, that how you will plan your bag. Because mostly you have in bags 2 parts, 3 parts are also there, usually bags have. So in one part you will have to keep your books, and in other part you have to keep your notebooks. And whenever you are keeping your stationery related pencils, color pencils are there, markers are there, so such type of all things you will keep in another box. So this thing, in this way, when you will organize your everything, so it will be so easy for you whenever you need anything from your bag, so you will not search out anything. Okay, so this is the way that how you will organize your school bag and schoolwork. There is a question for you. How can organizing personal belongings help in schoolwork? Okay, so these all things are also personal belongings, because these are your bag is yours. So definitely everything that is in your bag, that belongs to you. So now how you organize your personal belongings? Okay, good. I hope now you have discussed and you have informed that and also you have got that how you will organize your schoolwork. Good job. So let's see next. If a student is disciplined, she can manage all tasks efficiently and effectively. Lack of discipline might make it harder for children to learn. Similarly, organizational skills allow children to develop a plan and follow through to get work done. Weak organizational skills can. So yes, such type of all skills, my dear students, are called organizational skills. Organizational skills mean how you organize your work. Even this work is your school work, and even this work is your homework that you are doing at home, and how you are helping your mother, how you are helping your friends, family. These all things, and do your whole routine when you are organizing. So these are called organizational skills, and these skills also will help us in our next life. Okay, so keep remember that we have to get habit to organize our all things at a proper time. Okay, so there are questions. How can organizational skills help children to complete any task? Which one method of learning organizational skills is mentioned in the lesson? So which is there that we are learning in our lesson? So which organizational skills they are giving? Okay, good, excellent job. I hope you have searched out. Schoolwork is also our organizational skill, my dear students, and when our doing work at home, we are helping to our mother at home, so this is also an organizational skill. So two skills are being mentioned in this lesson. Okay, good. So let's see next. Your parents and teachers would love it. They will support and guide you further. Organizing personal belongings can be a challenge, so try to develop these routines. You will definitely get its reward for the rest of your life. So my dear students, these organizational skills, when we are organizing everything in a disciplined way, so definitely our parents, our teachers will love it. Everyone likes when things are organized and on their proper place, when we are keeping them at their proper place. So definitely it looks so beautiful, and it's easy to search out anything when we need anything, so we can search out it in an easy way. So these all skills will help you in your future. Also, teacher will also guide. When parents and teachers are also guiding us whenever we need that, suppose one thing we don't need and we need some guidelines to organize ourselves, so teachers and our mothers, our parents are also guiding us that how we can organize everything. Okay, so we must have to organize our whole work. Questions are there. How can organizing personal belongings help in schoolwork? How can you help out your mother by using organizational skills? List the things that you can follow to organize yourself. These questions are related to you, okay? That how you help your mother in organizational skills. So think about it, my dear students. Okay, good. I hope you have searched and you have given organizational skill, how we can help our mother. Yes, through organizational skills, we can help our mother when we are keeping our bag, our school shoes, our uniform, and everything that is related to us. Our personal belongings, when we are keeping them at a proper place, when we are getting home, so definitely we are helping to our mother. And you will list things, personal belongings in schoolwork, definitely our bag, and all things that we are keeping in our bag. These are personal belongings related to schoolwork. Okay, have you got? Good job. So next we are moving to perform an activity now. Yes, my dear teachers, say to students to read out difficult words from last 2 paragraphs. After 5 minutes, teacher will get dictation of difficult words mentioned in the paragraphs. So yes, that now we have completed our text, my dear teacher, and from this text you have to find out difficult words. You will read out. Okay, after that teacher will get these difficult words in dictation. I am waiting for you. Perform this activity in your class, my dear teachers, and you will guide to your students. First of all, it's for you, my dear teachers, Be careful while guiding students. You will not say to students that they have to cram the spelling. You will give way space students in syllables. Okay, you will pronounce the word according to their syllables, and according to syllables they can spell the words exactly and quickly. Okay, give them way, no need to cram the spellings. I'm waiting for you. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope now students have got confirmed and solid concept about dictation words. Good job. So let's move to individual activity in your class. On your notebooks, there are questions on page number 126. Question number 1, answer these questions, and you will give answer of these questions in your notebook. And question number 3, may mark the correct answer from the given choices on page number 127, my dear students. So you will mark 1. There are 4 speech bubbles are there that you have to fill 1 box. 4 options are there. Okay, so perform this activity in your class. I am waiting for you. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope now you have done it and you got that. And these also comprehension questions you have done in a nice way, because we have already discussed during lesson. Okay, good, excellent job. So what's your homework for today? Write question number 2 given in book, page number 126. Make sentences in your notebook. There is a question number 2 is there, that you will guide to your students, my dear teacher, because these are related with dictation words. So that you will guide to your students, and students will make sentences of these words in their notebook. This is their homework for today. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form, so that you might be able to get that how much they have got about dictation words. There is a spelling bee quiz. There is a quiz and have given all. Then they have to select 1 spelling and they have to correct it. Okay, so in this way you can get that how much knowledge they have about spelling dictation words. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about how we can copy dictation words and in which way we can learn spellings according to their syllables. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, copy and take dictation of words studied in class. Good job, excellent job, we have done it. Okay, so now you have got that how we can learn spelling words, dictation words in an actual way, not in a cramming way. Okay, we have to learn it into an actual way and into syllables. Okay, so this was our lesson. This was our SLO that we have cleared today. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.